In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Trello in Table View. This useful feature allows you to organize your Trello board data more efficiently and lets you see all your board cards laid out in a clear, table-like format. It's an excellent way to get a comprehensive overview and compare details easily. Let's dive right in. First, locate your Trello board and focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. Here, you should see the title of your current Trello board. Next to this title, there's a small, downward-pointing caret icon. This icon is what you'll want to click on to get started. It might seem like a small step, but this icon is your gateway to a variety of viewing options that Trello offers. Once you've clicked the caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu will present you with a list of different view options you can choose from. Among these options, you will see Table listed. Click on Table and watch as your board transforms instantly. The familiar list view shifts into a structured table format. This view is particularly advantageous for those who want to analyze and compare cards without needing to scroll through lengthy lists. As you explore this table view, you'll notice all your Trello board cards are now organized neatly into rows. These rows are separated by horizontal lines, which clearly divide each card. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure each card stands out individually. Additionally, you'll find that the sections of your cards are marked by slightly thicker horizontal lines, providing a clear demarcation between different parts of your board. This table format doesn't just make your board more visually appealing. It serves a functional purpose as well. Let's say you're collaborating with team members and need to check who is working on each task. In Table View, the details such as assigned members, due dates, and labels are all displayed in separate rows under each card. This arrangement allows you to compare and analyze the data effortlessly. You can see at a glance who's doing what and when things are due without the hassle of digging into each card individually. The ease of access to these details helps streamline project management and enhances team collaboration, offering a more unified overview of the workflow. With everything laid out in a table, you can make quicker, more informed decisions. So, there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to switch your Trello board to table view. By following these steps, you gain access to a powerful tool that can significantly